Shopping at a grocery store. Important phrases and dialogues. Back to school deals. Items on sale. Discounted. Discounted percentage. Percentage. Discounted percentage. 50% off. 50% off. 30% off. 30% off. 20% off. 20% off. 10% off. 10% off. Different types of deals. 1. Buy one, get one free. 2. Buy one, get half price on the second item. 3. Back to school sale. 4. 50% off your second pair. 5. Buy one, get one 50% off. 6. Deal for the week. Some words and questions to learn. 1. Expiry date. 2. Looking for items on sale. 3. Original price. 4. Sale price. 5. What is the original price? 6. What is the sale price? One. Expiry date. It means the last date can use the food item. 2. What is the expiry date of milk? 3. What are the items on sale today? 4. How much is it? 5. Location of the grocery store. 6. Shopper, customer. Different sections of a grocery store. 1. Dairy section. 2. Grocery section. 3. Meat section. 4. Fish section. 5. Bakery section. 6. Produce section. 7. Pharmacy. One. On the left side of the store. On the right side of the store. In the middle. Next to the pharmacy. 5. Behind aisle 6. 6. Near the bakery. 7. At the back. 8. Front of the store. 9. Beside rice. 10. Back of the store. Get attention of the store worker. 1. Excuse me. 2. Hi, can you help me? 3. Can you help me please? 4. Can I ask you a question? 5. Can you help finding me sugar? 6. Hi, where is the bread? 1. Hi, where is the meat section? 2. Please help me to find brown rice. 3. Where are the oranges? 4. Where is the milk? 5. Where is the chicken? 6. Where is the pasta? Shopkeeper's answers. 1. It's at the front of the store. 2. It's on the right side of the store. 3. It's at the back side of the store. 4. It's on the left side of the store. 5. It's next to the international aisle. S is silent, no isle. Aisle. It's next to the international aisle. Six. The dairy section is at the back of the store. 7. Aisle 7 is near the dairy section. 8. The fish section is beside the meat section. 9. The Asian aisle is next to the pharmacy. 10. The produce section is on the right side of the store. 11. The bakery is at the back of the store. 12. The international aisle is in the middle of the store. 13. The washrooms are at the back of the store. Getting help at a grocery store. Shopper and worker. Shopper is the customer. Number 1. Shopper. Excuse me, where is the rice? It's in the international aisle. Number 2. Hi, where is the meat section? It's on the right side of the store. 3. Can you help me? Where is the bread? It is at the back of the store. Good job, everyone. Please keep practicing.